GLP-1 agonists. They are hailed as the miracle for weight loss. By mimicking natural hormones, they travel through your bloodstream and dock into receptors in your brain, effectively turning down the volume on your hunger. The food noise stops, you eat less, you lose weight. But there is a silent catch that the scale won't tell you. When you slash your calories drastically, your body enters a panic mode. It needs fuel, and it doesn't care where it gets it. Without a specific signal to stop, your body will cannibalize its own engine, burning through precious muscle tissue right alongside the fat. This is called sarcopenia. You aren't just getting smaller, you're getting weaker. This is why you must lift weights. Resistance training sends a loud chemical survival signal to your biology. The mechanical tension creates micro tears that scream to your body. We need this tissue to survive. This forces your metabolism to spare the muscle and burn the fat stores instead. Muscle is your metabolic armor. Inside every muscle cell are mitochondria, your cellular power plants. By maintaining muscle mass, you keep these furnaces burning hot. They demand energy 24/7, even when you're sleeping. If you lose the muscle, you lose the fire, and your metabolism crashes. The choice is yours. You can be skinny fat, smaller but frail, with a slowed metabolism that makes regaining weight inevitable. Or you can be lean, dense, and metabolically bulletproof. Don't just lose weight. Build the body that keeps it off. Pick up the weights